Hello guys, today I will talk about how you can save logs of any website. So let me present my screen. So you can easily save the logs of your website by creating just simply following those steps. So firstly what you need to do is you need to follow. Let me check the recording. Yeah, it's working fine. So you can do this. Firstly you need to open the developer tools. So you will find the developer tools here, and here what you have to do after that, open any site of any site you want to collect the data of. So here I am opening the reddit.com. It will open the data console of Reddit. Let me check. So here as you can see, it is giving some data in console. So it is helpful if you are getting some errors in the console and you want to send those errors. So in that case you can use that. Then what you have to do is basically you just need to click on write and save as. Then here you can find out the option. Here you can save it as a txt document, and you can save the document here. So as you can see here, this is a simple steps that we follow here. So let me show you. I have saved this in the document, and as you can see that here it is showing all the logs that we found out at the website. So with that we can easily create all those things. So let me know if you want to add any other feature. So thank you guys.